We are fortunate say we two captains in our Danlad Ibrahim and Richmond Lamptey. And a gentleman exercise is simple. The BI selecting supporters. I don't know how my Lamptey ambo. I don't know how about Danlad ambo. And they are more opportunity. Danlad, this is about your 8th year our Asante Kotoko as a youth player, our graduate, and a Blasters player. Until Mumi and our Blasters players. And they are more opportunity. You have Coach Danlad, Coach Lamptey. Since we joined Kotoko, we ultimate 11 players are over 2 or more, how more bonny or more new our bono. You perceive we you 11. Normally reason tier who choose you PR for each position away, you know. But one can team for our home count to gentlemen Munti and Danlad. You shall see a free.
First of all, Yenfa Konya Rusuna, say a very big hi to your lovely fans, Masters and supporters in around the globe. And the Beka will be as a children from the playing body, and you will be a Miadomi Hoye. The mission will be an Omoncoson support to Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Now, he didn't say never papa Ebuquans whatever. Bro, Charlie, since me joining this club, so they will see kind of 8 years. I bet through a lot of quality players and quantity deba. So selection and they are 11 years was me so Mr. say my team that doesn't mean say we are all equally good. So you will be and then say be my you out. So say my you are now they are chemi. So for my first 11, you call goalkeeper now. Wow. Felix Annan will be my goalkeeper. You have Felix will be maybe Tono off the pitch and on the pitch. I learned a lot of things from him and near my bio hobby or Kotokwa. Me who say no kind of shame in crime he was one guy. Sometimes a game there was a lot of games. Felix, you will see say Felix the new opponent tonight. About match no. So for me, I'll go in for Felix Annan.
Felix Annan as your goalkeeper. Okay. Inti call Felix Enya the nod to be in the post. Now right back and so why now we follow?
Right back. Meko for Amos Frempong.
Olomo,
captain of the side. Me capital Bakope, which is Olombo 20.
Olomo was screen, so
yeah,
quality Bakope.
Yes.
And Olomo when he
actually, Olombo, he was a leader. Honestly, the same thing on the pitch and off the pitch. The co game sometimes motivation or the team no. And so game ni more on you be like or expose the players or exposing the players and kasa. They be a Olombo and kasa there. They be even on the pitch crown and kuyi crown. You try to encourage you. Do my leadership example and I say leadership I be a woman more. These two guys no because they are marvelous. Field of play wayebi. And I say trophies for Wajibi Ibrahim Kumasa Asante Kotoko. So I'll go in for Olombo.
It's the next number the left back position. The left back and names to the doors.
Yes.
Manuel Asante Abebe.
Yes, Jack Chine. Hey, Asante Jack Chine. Don't call Imoro to four. I'll go in for Eric Donko. In terms of experience, Eric Donko chair. And Eric Donko say we team so for me the minim kakra this football they say there was sometimes who plays bi ho a bia e bad dia Donko betima akoball 11 amame say me yes super so bia Donko betimi asa akoball obetima abo 6 amame so I'll go in for Eric Donko.
Okay. Now your back is center pair in terms of defense.
Yes. Ahmed Adams, Awa Mohammed, Evans Kwao, to four from Paul Cross, no one so ball. Wahab Adams, yes. We quick one, then I'll go in for Wahab Adams. I'll go in for Wahab Adams because Wahab so one player. He play with all his heart plus his body. And look what he come in because we the goalkeepers normally you pay ubia say if ebia you commit error and I even pay free ma ubia obetimi atu no say ne kon kra o de be yibo afipom and I've played with him why a lot of saves for me ebia me error some goal line clearance be a why amamia so I'll go in for Wahab Adams. Yeah.
Wahab is your partner. Why don't you see?
Well, I'll go in for Ishmael Ganu to fantastic capito on the pitch and off the pitch. Very calm. Who's a center pair there as a goalkeeper there. Say open center pair. Unya gidi bako. No unya calm person bako. Say the beya. Never so the leadership quality. My friend Ganu wait me provide. Wait me the aboa Wahab ama. BBI eba penalty so wait me say aboa me. So in that basics no. I'll go in for Ishmael Ganu.
You feel the defensive midfield area. Now the transitive. Why need the
Oi! Defensive DM. I got that for her. With the series for her. Jackson. Okay. I'll go in for Jackson Owusu. Akwesimoto. You know, Akwesimoto plays like said here. Me nka say onu mum ne ball. Because he's a senior player, so make I say Agadas play like Akwesimoto in terms of how destroy balls or sometimes go off the pitch. But who would be share opponent monocrano way and on the field of play aggression. I think say Agadas learning a lot of things from Akwesimoto. And with a lot of things with experience, I'll go in for Akwesimoto.
Okay. See, you call your name Akwesimoto Abba. Next players who will be
my wingers now. Me call for my wingers. I'll go in for my line. So me call for Emmanuel Janfi. Emmanuel Janfi. Logo Ligi straw. Ninsano. So we are on times and Ninsana is saying, you know, it's straw. The calipo straw. No, it's shame. So this is all fun, you know, because on you be an ibufu. So I never way the diagram comes. So I think say if Janfi who video we are and yeah, so supporters supporter be able to know mama and yes they dino who fair one. These are a great way in team. So Emmanuel Janfi is a player in terms of speed. We can testify that say speed, recovery, goals or the amount. A drew the dean for Kumasa Asante Kotoko Janfi etun husio was several team new so with experience and everything no, I'll go in for Emmanuel Janfi as a winger.
And you have transition offensive.
No, number 8. Yeah, from number 7 we call number 8. As usual, you know, my current informed Black Star player, our name is Richmond Lamptey. Because okay, my team now said me war winger or speed, you know. I was saying me new beer or Katana Nico bit much pass na to what I say. And we have Minuya or her. I think say he have everything in terms of say distribution. Make me like I say me bad team no. He's one of the best. So make me like I say Lamptey will be my number 8. He will just distribute the balls to my wingers and mine. When him say passes, deep passes, and vertical passes, no. Obeba strike. I'm much more goals. Now Kotoko ya 5, 7, 8.
You're queen. Zeno.
I call number 9.
I can't nipa mensa.
Yes.
The ancient names are over.
Me call number 9. If we 8, I call number 9. Number 9. Number 9 be Aba. Yakubu Baye. Seydou Bansi, dear my sister be Sonny Yakuba, Sadek Adams. Sadek Adams. I'll go in for Sadek Adams, you know. So Bekaya Tamale, Sadek so why was setting a lot of records for Kotoko. Say only has or hat trick. First half hat trick. So I think say I'll go in for Ononya goal scoring opportunity, maybe a 10er, or bit much 11. So a sharp opportunity, you know. There is a guy on off the pitch or shame crying, or they need a lot of experience, no, or saying Kolana Neabano, or you will be some confidence, like if you on the field of play, say, Nkoye, make I say, any cara, you say penalties 4, original ball still say a ball like those stuff. So I think I'll go in for Sadiq Adams. That's number 9.
Okay. The next person. So.
Number 10. Because I'm able to top. So definitely I was saying another striker or a clinical. Me say a goal scorer as a goalkeeper they will team Shegua. Now at all. We mistake so we are confident team near confident. So I'll go in for Mbella. Also the same thing. Also 10 goal scorer opportunity. Also 11 as Sadiq Adams. So let's say top one. So I'll go in for Mbella as my number 10.
Fantastic. What completing
Last
player
that is left wing. So my left wing, wow. We have a lot of players the likes of Kwam Boy no timi boho, Mama Hama no timi boho, Safu Jamfi timi bo, Martin so timi bo, Martin Anchi, Martin Kujo, Pedenopoku. Charlie. Maxwell. Yes. I'll go in for Maxwell Barco, Mekai Champions League goals. Wababeshe. Yes. Messi. Maxwell Barco. I think Maxwell Barco beating me. And my team name as number 11. So, so speed. He's very skillful. Bet my boy as Messi. Me money free roll line so cry now. Bet me the ball no room at chin. What do I say? 190. You better camera. So yes, so the team be solid be you. So I'll go in for Maxwell Barco.
But you know, it's a team is anyway she it's a team league. I bet you actually 20 points.
Baby, because you know they say Anchuma. What's a team? I think it's a league, So ball league now starting now. You win, you say win here 1-1, 2-1. I now who you. But imagine what could be 5. What could be 6. Say if you almost have who could put the home cry now. No, both defense. Now I be defensive minded. Okay, so for me, I want a lot of semi attackers. So we two, we are 3, we are very clinical. Less chances a goal because hey Europa always na less chance be a goal. Ti ene ma team yehu. So when you hu a, we so meninti na ama me. So for me, I think since mama me wingers and me strikers I win.
I know Coach Danlad. And I had the ultimate 11. But teacher, I was saying if I'm about it, surprisingly.
Hey, Dada already have me.
Teacher, don't be a problem.
Yes, no. Say I say a lot of players they are equally good, and I make another right backer. The likes of Samuel Frimpong, even Christopher Nate, Mamba Yebi. A lot of right backs are back. Okay, so you share sometimes we say only. The performance because if I see a guy honestly you'll be also motivated a lot sometimes kasa keke obetimi akasa ma team no defensive shape crack keke no obekasa ma match kama how biamba but I'm looking in a way say den obebo nipa ba akudin. Okay, so for me what the sifa yemfa captain ni sheda nye emfa molo say oye captain tin e de na to what the sifa yemfa da sadana
coach Danlad Coach Lamptey, Coachy, and then the SUC, Danlad, and really there. When you 11, watching the India when you 11. Also, you have said, my ultimate 11. Bubble ball with Dina, Uria. Now, my brief summary about the India fan. Yes, 11.
I am part. Say, Coach Danlad kind. What kind of na me selection me boom and shall easy because today Danlad kind of Kotoko signing quality players and me started my first 11 me show my keepers na bar Razaka Balara Frederick Asare and keepers na Kwame Ban Obia but I want to choose me na my best keeper I'm choosing Danlad.
Oh, you? Danlad.
They can try to bribe a bomb.
Without a word, boy party.
Danlad. Oh yeah. Danlad. Keep a beer and of the field, also encourage and make a match. Adriana Koboy. Meet my say, okay, you winning because na young guys in the room, especially Japan, or no encourage your boy, you know, a man bar gave him so on. And you know, Danlad they keep a beer or commande me patch what I say, a leader. So what I say, into Danlad there, my first number one fan.
I'm
frustrated.
You're call number 2. Number 2, okay. What do you mean in our position?
Okay, but number 2, coaching and you. Easy. Because we show my Christopher Nete and I want me too. Akai. Yes, Christopher Nete and
no pressure.
Christopher Nete, number 2 be or attacking minded. Although we defender also we doing a defensive one, but see modern football no. Say goes on by Muslim free ranks. Me patch what I say, and not put into me for Christopher Nete.
Number 3 no say
Number 3, I have some say the medical kai coaches never about brepa of your Patrick Asma who now honor. So what I say, but me number 3, Imuru.
Wow. Bolega. Wow, say wow.
Imuru, left back behind. No, Osai aggressive.
And wow, wait to my kai picture, we march a great film. So watch any special
match.
Oh, to my fans now,
wow.
What's your background? Now, okay, Babaya, right?
Babaya, match.
You will come class or both free kick and show.
I don't know.
Both free kick and show.
Match. Match.
It's too heavy. We can go.
Okay, wait. Kotoko and
can find some.
Today I mean, I said my book in first identity as a maker. I like you very much.
Okay, so number 3.
It's Imuru, Trebia also aggressive and a ban crossing because the defender or assisted it, Charlie, won't mean in frame. And you know, my best 3.
Only Imuru also could die in it. Okay. Oh, they're happy to only 3 weeks. On penny team into a die and a bunch of grow.
4 and 5. Lamptey, where you?
Okay, 4 and 5 me I ask him me show me Mubarak. Babana. Okay, Babana Mubarak a player a banner penetrative passes now Ganya good or you're very good and Ojinacho commande pan also a leader and it's them choose Mubarak.
You one
okay, your partner Mubarak a Ghanaian, Ishmael Ghanaian, and to say the million Kafano, Sabe or a commander and or commande was a good and a banner penalty shooting so any problem. And it's time choose Mubarak Ghanaian.
Alhamdulillah.
Is it when you move back to the Ghanaian 4 and 5?
Okay, a banner me defensive. Me coach me 2 pivots. Me ball 1 pivot. That's what I say. Because yes, sanity. Because it's game na sound. And me ball 1 pivot. And me show me Richard Bodu. Yes, because on why say lion or a tiger, or a tiger and born also bar or a good in the passing be accurate. Yes. Yes.
Or very desperate.
But in Bam was in Nina Dane.
Make I say about the first year na many in the old room. Na baby are many in the 90, you know, and I gotta see see you lose game out that because or having pick or back as our page and so cry answer say I lose ball then you know like how we eager so you be as fighting spirit now Nantina Kotoko is so easy man.
So I know be for brother or friend.
So I think they it's part of say confident maybe something be a go bit much Danlad like which means you know like to say can't be a show cry so I think
you ask for agadas
to say them kind of person game ni flow and you know me bought Mudasiru 8 yes me Mudasiru player be or a box to box player guy no born kutana any is so be born a friend in same yes
I like you that no
you know me bought Mudasiru 8
na Mudasiru about 8 into young koy 9 when the first and as all the year we finish there
sir me no man come information and so okay
next player
me next player me bought Mudasiru 8 my bought Fabio Gama
footballer
oh a bubble now oh you good the passing BBI accurate oh you very good and so me bought Fabio Gama I was 10 me patch what I say
na yanko how many team na
okay shema who say no me nine Steven Mukwala because oh you fast me no me person me ni more fast so ho enti me sanity me person born be gina Fabio Gama pass na Mukwala all speed into back of Fabio no so ho and so Fabio ni we are or take players and defenders no on and easy so what I say sanity yes anything I miss Kasana also me can say coaches in the bread imagine no they can crack a cramp and sana me first 11 me patch what I say into me farm Mukwala as number 9 so what I say yes okay me man who say baba player bia so one shego grandpa ba system my so what I say yes or take defenders on and or create penalties and nothing am fa baba ya no so what I say
we create a lot of fouls
when they complete we team no cry
okay me 11 so be Isaac Opon on so a player bia also a fast yes and to say them kind of or take players no or defenders no on so what I say because me anyone person fast and defender behind or strikers a tremica or moving near that day and it's na me Mukwala me baba ya na me Isaac Opon into my first level
more coaches my team baby one pa na we give the very match
me team say you want to was a very simple
okay
Wahab cry we no be dwane
duru bi anka da da mo wie no and mo ye full time coaching into bi amay ne formation or set here our tactics board
okay
the coach bi ade ko
okay so for me find say me dey red Kumasi Asante Kotoko Felix Anan Ingo Amos Frimpong number 2 Donko number 3
okay
Wahab number 5
okay
Ganiu number 4
okay
Jackson Owusu number 6 Lamptey so me about 420 but Jackson mum ebe dirty work no ewa ha
okay
then na Lamptey no ebe attack more but it's the same as 442 okay and me Maso Bako number 11 Emmanuel Jamfi number 7 Sadiq Adams and Mbela on top yes so this is how I'll parade our sample my way we know and one say the BIA attack here Jackson ebe stay na Lamptey I then I join at say the be the passes no ebe to two space you ama me runners na amako yes say I know say the Lamptey normal jogging we have these guys just to defend for us Jamfidi obeba more and I say Mbela on a young no so I join kakra no about medal
okay
so this is my team for Kumasi Asante Kotoko
ultimate 11 on
yes please
I am my coach over boy any Lamptey
okay coach Lamptey
so formation no say
me formation me bought a 4-3 formation okay Danlad ebe gina pool mama me na ma bo Christopher Netti 2 na ma bo Imoro so 3 na ma bo Yusuf Mubarak and so 5 wa say na ma bo Ganim so 4 wa say I'm used to it. Okay, so the medican can say me bo one pivot. I got that. Richard Borden to me bono or money say. So what I say, I'm a bought information on. I'm a bought Mudasiro has it. So what I say, good. Boom Mudasiro has here. Mudani, good. Boom Mudasiro ha. I'm a bought Fabio Gamma has a share. Me moments are like no moments are so few. Mudano as a or is defensive and then offensive minded. But I am box to box player. So what I say, into me bought Fabio Gamma so I say because on like or belling strikers and then the wingers and all passing the beer. So what I say, good. Now for my ball we will say bye bye. I will say good. I'm a ball I think upon so I say. So what I say. Now for my ball Steven so I say. That's what I say. Now for your 4-3-3 formation. So 4-3-3.
It's good. How many wins now, Benya?
How many wins? David, BBC, didn't I was able to support us. Me patwa say.
Until move on move trauma
selection way. Any selection way. Mo ha.
Coach Danlad in the winning.
The Belgian league, you know.
The Belgian league, you know. Now, by the way, I think supporters energy, a nice attempt. Whom you know, who any dream of after handling the boots and the gloves, if I say more coaches and I say football when you get to be coaches. But you know that so yes,
senior media no first.
Okay, coach that been pay coach me person we coach.
I don't know.
Press on all day. Press on. It's me me I'm saying that me agent, player agent. Me coach them in pay.
That boy is making say we go say that team ready to coach you wa bomb.
Coach you wa bomb.
And you see how me do.
And some person me coach.
Do team ready say coach be boy ana
nanka me to mo senka me ba. A bit, you know, agents now. But I know I
oh, that but for me, it's not about the insults and everything. The Aquarian say, you know, sometimes I'll share near the qualities that you have, then no one will have our bay. In terms of the coaching, in which I mean, who is a idea kakra in terms of Nipana Mabembe, but that is not me. Ankasa may say life after football. Either I will be, no matter the may be I will be a businessman, but the ebeye for the say I did a better about football, say football management. How I'll just manage a club. How maybe in terms of analysts, I did a Boama club at 2 point financially.
Pressure,
yes, and it's not about pressure. Thank you
so much.
Thank you so much.
And the supporters never be decided.
Fast.
But you should tell them to subscribe.
Yes.
To the Kotoko message.
Yes. Now the only thing I can tell the supporters is Nancy videos are the Google. These are the things we use to support the club. Sure. Either you are outside or you are even Ghana and even Kumasi. If you want to Babaya, I think these are the staffs. And yes, we have a stadium but patronizing near the club area. Yeah, say sometimes individuals or they have a lot of subscribers. We will be some millions. These are near my ways to me my club no any value. So the more even at us subscribe I wish say more WhatsApp group and everything. No, they will just put it in. Or subscribe and notification. also the so anything about the club I think so be who than say the obose sports ne how be say free we be who players no sometimes we be okay onim yes but with this YouTube channel ne your crew na say amaji YouTube no more ye with the more experts no more near na ma start creativity no more dey ba no more supporters na be no so we be who a lot of staffs ne obi wo kra na wonnim say bia football nim kra no bia na yedi hu komo ne ma ideas e wo ya dream after football e bi kra na supporter bi wo idea obetimi dey support here idea bi wo habet ma boa club no so the be srem say mon support the club with this subscription yes with all the WhatsApp groups yen fan tutu ne wo the wadanfo kra anya Kotoko supporter kra na on subscribe ne numbers no e was say by next month no ye gi league ne nam 1 million subscribers yes remwa na monye and this weekend this week echo see this month February big thing is coming up Masa Asante Kotoko ye first supporter ba ko me ni menua free who did you go so ye na ko be did ye do ko baby a o pe bia o pay even Dubai ko do but ni na say before so betimi aye a winner no you need to subscribe now do I share so ama o follow it because e be busa sa na money na answer na choose you as a winner so guys mo subscribe and win more thank you so much.